aloo or Arabic aloo. Both are boiling. Brahman's cooking. No onion, no garlics. Only I'm using ginger. Okay, this is Brahman's cooking. Now we are at home for 15 days. We are going to eat only Brahman's food. Okay, this all kind of masala mix and keep it here. See here. Okay, now I have this. Hide it here. See, this also I'm adding all tarka here. Tamarind juice. See, tamarind juice. I'm using all kind of vegetables. Should be going to make their pickle today. Okay. Yesterday before also I made two kind of pickles, saw bhaji and the eggplant pickles. I forgot to shoot my video. Today I'm going to show you same way, same procedure, same method. Okay. All kind of masala. And that moringa fruits. This is called moringa fruit, sajina. 25 grams water. But keep high flame. I think see 80% boil it. I add this also. Aloo. If you want, you can add more chili powder also. That is your choice. This for 60%. I forgot. It's okay. I kept this small karai and I'm going to fry. This also boiling for moringa fruits have to need to cook for 60%. This is tamarind juice. Okay. Then I'm going to fry the brinjal, eggplant. Little turmeric powder. This is chili powder. See, I'm going to do like that. We have to cook this is only 50% because this is very good, very soft eggplant. I'm catching left hand camera and I'm going to add this. See, okay, this is natural tomato, ready-made also you can get from any store. See, 10 gram white jaggery, any other jaggery, brown sugar, white sugar, you can add 1 teaspoon. Jaggery means this much. See, this is called white jaggery. Okay, it's give a deep taste. Okay, this is gravy, either pickles. Pickles means you need to dry. You don't need, you need curries means it's okay, finished, done. नहीं अब ले लो, हम तो टेस्ट कर ले ला.